Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video very attractive ideas of leather maxi. Many much more beautiful ideas of leather maxi for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of dresses. Some ideas heavy flare dresses. Some ideas light flare dresses with short tail. And so beautiful waist designs, and some ideas mermaid styled leather dresses in maxi. So beautiful collection of sleeve designs, full sleeves, half sleeves, sleeveless, round neck, V neck, mock neck, and many much more beautiful ideas of leather maxi for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very pretty, and you look very graceful. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas. So you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.